What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we got something special. Now, those who have stuck around for a while remember this. I actually dubbed it, at the time, the best speaker I unboxed so far. And it still holds true to this day, until now. Boom. Get out of here. Braven really loved the feedback from you guys in our last video and sent the Elite version. This one, I believe at the time, was about $100. This one, on the other hand, this one is a lot more serious. They've actually dubbed this their loudest waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Now, I don't know how much this weighs. I'm gonna say maybe 15 pounds or so. It's heavy. This thing is a beast. They're saying that this thing has deep rumbling bass balanced between two massive extended range drivers and two tweeters that will give you unprecedented, spine-tingling, crisp highs, and clear vocals. I like the way that sounds. Just like the other one, this one has a built-in battery that you can use to charge up your phone. It's actually sporting a 5200 milliamp hour reserve power just for that reason. It's IP68 certified, so it's completely waterproof. You're not gonna have to worry about getting this thing damaged in water, mud, sand. Pretty much anything you throw at it, it's gonna take. Not only that, but this thing has aircraft grade aluminum grill built onto it. So this thing is built for toughness. Now, for those who saw the last one knows that they've actually tested these things out rigorously by like driving over it with a Jeep on top of a rigid rock. That was really impressive. It's got a 12-hour playback time. It's gonna be listening to music for half the day, 12 hours, so that's pretty good. It also has voice control, so it pairs up to your Google Voice or your Siri, so you can use it that way or use it to make phone calls. Oh, and I didn't notice this, but it also floats. We've got a getting started guide. Oh, look at that. They incorporated both. I believe that's Chinese and then American. So they've incorporated both. That's pretty awesome. Oh my goodness, they even put another one in here. I don't know what this one's for. So they got 3 different power cables, okay? Then you've got your power brick. Oh my God, there's another one. So they got even another one. You're pretty much covered around the world. That's really awesome. And then of course they've got a nice little carrying strap. Nice heavy duty nylon carrying strap. Oh man, that thing is beautiful. That is serious. Bam! The clip that you would normally like maybe hang on a shelf or something, that's actually a multi-tool. So you got like a grinding thing, you got, looks like wrenches, you got a small ruler here, bottle opener. You gotta have a bottle opener. Not for climbing, don't use this for climbing. That is a serious speaker. It is shockproof, it's drop-proof. They use a thermoplastic housing on this. The orange parts, these are cast alloy tie-down points, so you can strap it to pretty much anything. So a boat, a UTV, an ATV, whatever you want to strap it to. So they got 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. Of course, you got the dual passive radiators. So on the top, you've got your power, Bluetooth button, play, plus and minus, and then your microphone button. And then on the back, you lift this rubber up. Oh my goodness, look how thick that is too. You got your 5-volt USB output for charging your phone or any other device. I'm not sure what service means. You could check your battery, it's got an LED, a reset, you got your power and your auxiliary in. But man, these big huge chunks of rubber, this whole thing is serious. Whoa.
Bluetooth pairing.
Bluetooth pairing. Where's my phone? I don't even have my phone. Let's turn it up. Dang. All right, let's go ahead and make a phone call.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hi. Wow, that sounds good. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
How do I sound?
I can hear myself though.
Can you still hear yourself?
No, it went away.
Okay, well keep saying something. I'm gonna turn up the volume. Tell me if you can hear yourself.
Oh yeah, I can hear myself.
Okay, so when I turn up the volume, it's so loud that the mic is picking it up. That's what's happening. This is definitely a step up from this one, no doubt. And it's so massive. And this isn't even their biggest one. Yeah, overall, this thing is a beast. Considering how loud this thing really gets, this would be fantastic for, you know, outdoor stuff. You know, put it on an ATV, take it with you to the beach even. Microphone is okay. It sounds really good. She said I sounded good. The only problem is if you turn it up really loud, the echo feeds back into the microphone and the person calling can actually hear themselves. So that's really the only downside with the microphone. Other than that, it sounds great. The highs, mids, and the lows, I'm giving them an 8. They sound great, and the volume level is insane. It's so good. But of course, the build quality, that's where Braven really stands out from the others, you know? I mean, their build quality is so good. You don't have to worry about breaking this thing. Run it over with your car if you want to. If you are looking for that outdoor speaker that's gonna be good for so many things, an outdoor little party, a picnic, sitting at the beach, cruising in your boat, that's a good way to do it. All right, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.